Yeah, put your head on the hood.
And then, I don't know.
Is it recording? Hey Matt, are you recording this?
But yeah, no, it's not.
Oh, does it give it away though?
I mean, it's not terrible actually.
That's actually not even, that's barely noticeable.
Turn the brightness down to low.
Recording still works?
Recording still works.
Ironic.
We'll get that video on my phone.
Okay.
So, I don't know how I want to do this, but I do have this. I was thinking it'd be funny if I put it in his car or something without knowing, and then you just like walk like, hey,
That's a nice
room, and then they're just like, oh, I really like that poster. I was like,
I think I know where his room is. I can ask to go to the bathroom, and the bathroom is right by his room, I think.
really? Okay.
I think there's actually close to his room.
Yeah, yeah. You could just ask him to go to the bathroom, sneak in his room, open the window, I slide this through to you.
Okay, that could work too. That could work too. There's so many possibilities. We're gonna like sit down. We have to represent for all the needs.
Even technically, like, Noah and Joseph are involved, because those are Joseph's classes, and Noah was there during the Planet Phase yesterday.
He was.
I can make this work.
Yeah, I did watch that one, and then the other one is Guardians of the Galaxy 3, which is actually good. I love Guardians. You're staring at the camera so fun. Guardians was good.
Oh my gosh, Thomas. Poster idea is pretty sweet. That could be like, kind of like the poster boy, so to speak, of our prank.
You can't just like
Roll it out, bro.
prank?
Somebody get these beggars out of here!
For what?
Oh, you think you like Tomorrowland? Like,
I was literally with you guys here.
how did you get this here?
That's actually tough though, Hans. That would be a tough prank if it was.
If we were in a prank, we would have done something like, we would have made
There's something.
Okay, that's just a rage bait prank.
What? What is that?
No, I've never seen that before.
Hans, I think you're losing your mind, Hans. I think you're losing your mind, Hans.
Dude, this is a prank, totally.
You want the break, Hans? You want the break?
No. I had such a bummer, so tough.
Excuse me, sir. Are you aware of pranksters in the area?